The Academic Study Kit, or Ask website, is designed in partnership with students to familiarise them with the skills they need to achieve study success at university and the study methods that will help them get the most out of their learning.
Until March 2018, the Ask website was a general set of resources for new students, undergraduates, international students and postgraduates. Materials on the site included advice on preparing for study in higher education, advice on writing essays and assignments, advice on dissertations, advice on giving presentations, and advice on revising for exams.
As of March 2018, the Ask website has been broken down into customised school sections. The Student Academic Success and Partnership team has worked in collaboration with staff and students to develop the site in this way, with the addition of new study skills resources specific to each school section.
Students pick which school they are in on the front page and are then taken to a school-specific Ask site, which has all of the resources from the old site, plus some new bespoke ones put together by students from the school.
For example, students from pharmacy and biomolecular sciences will now find advice on writing lab reports in the Ask PAPS pages. Art students can watch a video of their peers offering tips for critical reading in their discipline in the Ask Arts pages, and education students will find advice for writing at the different stages of study in their school in the Ask Education pages. In addition to these tailored resources, students from each school have also helped us to redesign the architecture of the original website, foregrounding information and advice that they think will be particularly useful to their peers.
You may be wondering why we decided to change the site. Well, over the past 2 years, we have received feedback from staff and students that whilst the resources on the original Ask site were very useful in many situations, there are some modes of learning and types of assessment they do not address. Consequently, we decided to work with students and staff to develop the site so that it provides a wider range of study skills resources.
We know that there is a diverse range of study skills needs even within schools, and that breaking study skills resource provision down by school won't cater to all of these. What we hope is that establishing the Ask website as a place that provides study skills resources on a school-by-school basis will make it a platform for further development.
With that in mind, we encourage you to take a look around your new school Ask site and warmly welcome feedback on this development. We are particularly interested to hear what you think the strengths of the redesign are, so that we know which areas to highlight to students, as well as developmental ideas and resources that you think will be useful for your school.
If you do have ideas about how your school area could be developed further, we would be interested in working with you and students in your school on this. You can get in touch with Joel Roberts at j.roberts5@brighton.ac.uk to discuss any feedback that you have.
We would also be grateful if you could inform relevant colleagues, course leaders, personal tutors, lecturers about this development of the Ask site, so that they are able to provide feedback of their own. Please also tell your students about the new site and the new resources available to them.